What's up, YouTube? So welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about smart faucet timers. The one I picked up is from B-hyve. It's their B-hyve smart faucet. Actually it works off of Bluetooth, and then they have an add-on that's a Wi-Fi adapter that connects to your Wi-Fi. So the device itself connects to Bluetooth inside the house to a plug-in, and then that plug-in connects to a Wi-Fi adapter that they sell. Last year I went with Orbit's hose-in timer. It did the job that I wanted it to do. However, it didn't allow me to do any rain delays. If I wanted to do a rain delay, I had to actually go up to each unit on the hose end and tell it to delay for 12 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, you name it. Is that a problem? It can be, because if I'm on vacation and it rains all week, I'm screwed because my sprinklers are going to go off on their normal schedule. However, with B-hyves, they have multiple delays based off your local weather. So they have rain delay automatically, and then they also have frost delay. They also have wind delay. So if the wind is really high, then they have a delay. So if it's 20 mile an hour wind in the morning, you don't be watering your grass because the wind's just going to take your water and throw it wherever it needs to. So your lawn's not going to be watered appropriately. So a little bit later in this video, I'm going to go ahead and get into the actual iPhone app and show you how good it is. Man, so I can't get away from all the dogs barking. I'm going to make a video and my neighbors decided to let their dogs out. So I wanted to show you what the B-hyve looked like. So this is the hose-in timer device. It doesn't have any dials on it or any LCD screen on it. It's just got the mechanism itself. So you hook this up to the actual bib on the outside, and then your hose on the end, just like any other one. I do want to mention that the B-hyve one has a really nice rubber, non-plastic, and then also metal connector here, versus the actual Orbit has a plastic connector. So I mean, I don't know if there's any breakage there on the Orbits, but this is a lot higher quality. A little bit more expensive, but a lot higher quality. Then you got the battery tray right here, and I already put batteries in it, so I don't really need to take them out. So let's go ahead and show you the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth adapter itself. So if you buy the Wi-Fi enabled one, it comes with these two devices as well. So you got the Bluetooth device here that connects to the actual hose-in timer Bluetooth, and then you got the Wi-Fi adapter here that's USB. So you basically just plug it in here, and you plug this into an outlet inside the house, not outside, inside the house, near where that hose-in timer is. And then every other device that you get it's cheaper, 25 bucks each. Every other little hose-in timer that you get that's a B-hyve, you don't have to actually buy it with this. You can buy it by itself, and it'll connect to this. You can, I'm not sure how many connect to this. I think it's 10, 20, I don't know. I know the amount is probably more than you'll ever want to use. So I bet you're asking yourself how much these devices are. So I'm going to link them in the description below, so that way you can check them out yourself. But the Orbit ones, they start out with $23 for the single hose one, and then go up from there up to about, I think you can, right now you can get about $45, $50 for the 3 hose outlet one. Now the B-hyve ones are a little bit different because you got to buy individual ones. The first one that comes with Wi-Fi is, I think it's $47, and then each individual one that connects to that Wi-Fi device is $25 each. So to get 3 with B-hyve, you're looking at 100 bucks almost, or a little bit close, pretty close to 100 bucks. And then with Orbits for 3 outlets, you're looking at 50 bucks. So it's about double the price itself. But I'm going to tell you right now, it's up to you on what you want to get. For me, I wanted the advanced features of the rain delay, and also being able to, I can turn it off and actually manually rain delay or manually delay the timers itself from anywhere in the United States, or actually world, as long as I have Wi-Fi on my phone and the device is connected to Wi-Fi too. So let's get into the actual iPhone app, and I want to show you some of the features that I really like about it, what sold me about this. So here's the main screen of the B-hyve app. It's actually pretty nice. It tells you the next zone that I'm about to water, which says my side yard will begin watering at 5 a.m. tomorrow. So I labeled that zone as side yard. You can actually add in as many of your different devices to one zone. You don't have to use one device per zone either. So at the very top left, it shows me that it is connected to Wi-Fi and how good the signal is. And then also below that shows a battery signal, so how much battery life left on my actual device, on that actual device. So on the right hand side, it shows you the actual weather or temperature of your area where you are. and it connects to, I don't know exactly what it connects to, but you're able to switch between multiple devices or multiple weather stations. It's actually using a weather station near my house, which is really nice. So you can click the calendar and it'll show you if it's supposed to rain. So it's tomorrow and Tuesday it's supposed to rain. So this thing will actually pick up if it's going to rain by a certain amount tomorrow, so that way it doesn't rain while it's water while it's raining. So in the settings area, I can go to my devices and tap on my one device, and it'll allow you to take a picture of it. I'm sorry, it's confusing. I labeled it side yard. It's actually front yard is what the device is called. And here's the picture of my front yard area. So you can actually take a picture of where you're going to be watering. And it also shows your address. I blurred it out for security purposes here. Other than that, you can go down and preset runtime. That means if you're going to run it, it does allow you to run it at any time, and that's the preset that I have it set to. So if I want to run it real quick, it'll run for 10 minutes. Smart watering is on. What that allows you to do is make weather adjustments. So that's really nice. You can do rain delay percentage threshold. So if the rain percentage is, maybe it's supposed to be 80% rain tomorrow, you can set it at 80%, say, or less. So right now I have it set at 30% or higher. So that way, if it's going to be 30% rain, it's going to delay it. That's pretty low, so I can go ahead and set that up higher. I'll set it up later. It also does how much rain. So if the weather station you're connected to shows how much rain you're going to use, or you're going to actually get, you can also show rain delay for inches of rain. So if you did half an inch of rain here and you want to delay for 3 days, it's up to you. Also, wind delay, like I said earlier, you can set the mile per hour winds. So that way tomorrow morning, if it's supposed to have high winds, it'll go ahead and delay that for the next day. And then also freeze delay, so you don't want to be watering below a certain temperature. That's the last thing you want to do is actually get your grass to frost over. So you can set it so anything less than 37 degrees, it will delay it as well for frost. So at the very top, I'm not going to click it, but it does show you the current weather station that it's using, and you can actually pick one that's really close to you. You can also use your own weather station if it integrates with this. I'm not sure which one integrates with this, but I'm going to guess it's probably, actually I'm not going to guess because I don't know. I'd have to look that up. Other than that, it'll show you all your different devices here, your stations, and then also your hub, and then you can add devices as you go. So on the main screen here, it will show you your warnings or your notifications here. It'll also send you push notifications to let you know that, hey, there's a rain delay because it's rained a certain threshold, or wind delay or frost delay. It'll also show you it here when you go into the actual app and let you know what the next watering is, or when's the next watering and what zone and what device. So those are the things that I really love about this actual device. It's more intuitive than the actual Orbit one. I can't wait to get started with actually watering my lawn. It's hard to say that because I've never been that way. I'm always like, dang it, I gotta water my lawn, but now I'm super excited. So if you liked the video, if you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me about your yard. Tell me what you're going to do this year about it. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to get videos like this. If you haven't yet checked any of my other sprinkler videos, I'm going to go ahead and put them down in the description below so you can check them out yourself. Other than that, I will see you next time.